Gudalur. Gudalur is an agricultural village located in the Theni district of Tamil Nadu. Life here revolves around farming and almost everyone has something to do with farming. The main crops are coconut, flour, paddy, pulses, grapes, vegetables, flowers and ground nuts. Crops such as ginger and cotton are also widely grown. The living water of these crops is the source of water from the Periyar Dam. The journey through beautiful farmlands and villages is to see Suruli Falls, the most famous waterfall in Tamil Nadu. The distance between Kottayam, Kanjurapalli, Mundakayam, Vandaperiyar, Kumali, and Gudalur is 122 kilometers. Suruli is located at a distance of 20 kilometers from Gudalur, 56 kilometers from Theni and 10 kilometers from Kambam. Whichever way you go, these are beautiful views everywhere you look. This is the Suruli. Suruli Falls and the adjoining Pothigai hills are a place full of myths. There is a check post here. You have to pay Rs 30 per person and Rs 50 per camera. .5 kilometers from the check post, you have to go through the forest to reach the waterfall. Take a walk through the forest, or take a forest department van. The charges are Rs10 per person. It is more than just a waterfall, it is as important as the Kailash in the Hindu faith. It is also a place of pilgrimage. There is a famous story about the Pothigai hills which are considered to be very sacred. When the marriage of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati was taking place in Kailasa, the gods, sages, and saints went to Kailasa to witness the marriage, and the earth tilted to one side as they could not bear the burden of so many people. Lord Shiva sent sage Agastya to balance the earth. It is believed that he reached Pothigai hill and balanced the earth from there. The Pothigai hills are the source of the Suruli Falls. Now the water is low and there will be good waterfall from July to October. This is not only a waterfall but also the belief of a people. Bathing in this water and performing patriarchal rites is very important here. In the poem Salapatikaram, the famous Tamil poet E. Longovati has mentioned about this waterfall. Medicinal plants abound in the vicinity of this waterfall. Waterfall is so famous for its incredible stories and legends. Pothigai Hills, one of the highest peaks in the Western Ghats, is part of the Agasthyarkudam Peak.